Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you tired of having wet countertops, dishwashing sponges that leak all over everything when you're done using them, or maybe just water that's splashing out of your bathroom sink? I wasn't sure if having diatomaceous clay trays would really make that much of a difference. But then I tried these ones from OKIEDOKIE Artichokie, and I cannot believe how much I love them. First off, the water really does dry fast. I really like that because that means whatever I'm putting on it dries quicker too. Because this has a porous surface, you can see that the water kind of expands out onto it and then it just evaporates out really quickly. I got the beige and white one. This is reversible. Cleaning them is very easy. You simply rinse off and maybe scrub it a little bit with like a brush or a sponge. Now I noticed on the one that we had in the kitchen, I had a little bit of a stain. So per the manufacturer's recommendations, I used half vinegar, half water, rinsed the tray with that, gave it a little scrubbity dub, and then rinsed it off and then put it vertical to dry. I noticed that I must have gotten a little oil on the one in my kitchen, and that's a caution. You want to make sure you don't get any oil or oil-based products on this because that will seal the stone and then it won't dry anymore. I love how this has elevated the look in my kitchen and my bathroom by giving it a really beautiful earthy aesthetic. I think you're going to love these as much as I have, and that's my point of view.